Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, thank you for returning. And if you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hope you enjoy what you see today. Hey, listen, I've been shopping. You know I love purchasing pre-owned luxury items. And this time I went to my friends at Poshmark. And I know, sometimes it's a hit or miss what you get from Poshmark, but I was searching for some quite vintage or older SLGs for my Louis Vuitton Speedy bags. Let's see if this is a hit or miss. Stay tuned.
I'm never forsaken, never alone. The God of heaven, call me his own.
Okay, so let's just jump into it. The first box I am going to open is from the United States Postal Service, USPS. I'm not sure which item is in here, so I am going to open this live. And I wonder if, when I go to Poshmark, when I go to the Real, I also shop at Fashion File, a couple of other reputable shops. Now, Poshmark is, it definitely can be a hit or miss with Poshmark. So I try to be very careful when I purchase. And since I am a certified pre-owned reseller, I can authenticate any items that I receive. So I do have the software to do that. So I try to do whatever I can just from pictures. And then from that point on, once I get the item, I can still authenticate it myself. All right, so this is how this is packaged from this seller. There is some wrapping paper on this. And let's see. This is, they have a little thank you card here. Yes, they are Boston fans. And then they put this in a Louis Vuitton box. And let's see. Yeah, so, and then here it is. And let's see what we have here. There is some tags. And in here, I remember getting this, is the key clave. This is actually, I don't know if you can see this, but it's in really good condition. There is no tarnishing on the zipper or the chain here. I'm just looking inside. You can see that. It has some slight use. This piece is not said to be vintage, but it is in good shape. I did need, or want, I shouldn't say need, I did want a key clave as another SLG to go along with my Speedy Damier Azure. So that looks pretty good. So this, I would say, is a hit. Now I still need to, I'm going to run this through my authentication service to make sure we have something that is authentic. But for now, from the naked eye, I'm going to say yay to that one. We have another package number 2. And I will say from the last one, there were no smells or anything like that. And you do have to watch out for that because some packages you get, they do have some sense to it. This also was shipped through USPS. And I'm just going to cut this one open here. I think I know what this one is. Let's see. This is another SLG. And I sure hope I didn't. Okay. It's another SLG. So the two that I have here, I did order a couple of vintage things, so I thought that's what these packages were, but they are not. This one, I know exactly what this is. If you watched my monogram unboxing with my Speedy and all of the monogram SLGs that I had with that Speedy, there was one item that was not a monogram, and it was a card holder that I carry for all of my Speedies, but that one, it was the demier a beanie, and I wanted to get a monogram card holder, and I found one in really good shape on Poshmark. So now I have the monogram card holder, and it's the perfect. This is exactly the style that I like for the card holders. It has an opening here on the front, an opening on the back, and then the middle section here. And I'm gonna try to give you a close up. Guys, this is really, both of these pieces are in excellent condition, and it does come with the little cards here. So this one looks good as well. So again, I'll run this through Entropy as with the other SLG. And this one is a hit. So we got a hit for the monogram card holder and a hit for the Demier Azure Keyclave. So hit and hit. Let's see, what are your experiences with Poshmark? So I'm happy with these two. Stay tuned for the next items, and I'm pretty sure those are the vintage items that I ordered. So stay tuned. Talk to you soon. So my friends, I have an update of the two items that I purchased from Poshmark. Here's my device to certify items, and I'm going to show you the card that I took through the authentication service. And if you can see that, here it says authentic. And I'm try to get that close up. You see, it's sort of a glare. Trying to make sure. Authentic. See that? The other item was the key clave, and I'm going to show you that one. Both of these items I purchased from Poshmark, and this one is unidentified, which means that they cannot authenticate the item. So now I'm gonna have to go back to Poshmark to see if I can return this item, because how it was marketed as an authentic product. So what was a hit is now a miss because one of the items was not authentic. And this is Entropy. They are a third-party authentication certifying agency and could not authenticate. So we're gonna go through the steps through Poshmark to get this item returned.
Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.